This is the human eye. It helps us to see this amazing world. And this is a microscope. It helps to see a world in the world. It revealed to us a new universe, an infinite and different one, which can't be learned completely. You can suppose that the first microscope must have been invented by an adult with very poor eyesight. He was just tired of squinting and peering. It was so in some way. We don't want to embarrass anyone, but this episode will be about adults' toys. In a great mood as always, the chemist Antony van Leeuwenhoek was busy with his favourite thing. He wrote letters to the learned men of the Royal Society of London. What was so unusual about the letters? In each of them, Leeuwenhoek described the amazing secrets of the microbe world. He talked about the life of the smallest bacteria only he could see. The opportunity to see the invisible was given to him by the following occasion. Being an inventor, 21-year-old Leeuwenhoek opened a small manufactory to make fabrics. To determine the quality of the composition, he used magnifying lenses, which he created himself. They were tiny, but magnified by 100 or even 300 times. Once placing a new lens between the copper plates, he decided to look at a drop of water on the material. Suddenly, he saw a lot of unknown beasts. They literally swarmed in the tiny drop. Leeuwenhoek started looking at everything through the microscopy. The lenses were called so. He was the first to see that blood consists of the tiny particles, erythrocytes, as well as to discover that meat consists of different muscles, longitudinal and transverse. He didn't even think to make a discovery. The microscope was just his favourite toy. But, so playfully, Leeuwenhoek laid the foundation of a new science, microbiology. In 1680, Leeuwenhoek was elected a member of the Royal Society of London, the most authoritative scientific centre in the world. The letters he had been writing there for 50 years were published in the book The Secrets of Nature, discovered by Antony Leeuwenhoek with the help of microscopes. But one mystery can't be solved till now. How through the favourite toys with such a weak magnification, Leeuwenhoek could see the details that are not visible even with the magnification twice as high. Magic.